drug. But Mamata Banerjee was one of the first to condemn it. You're using the same template now in West Bengal. Dr. Sen.
Yes, please.
I said you were one of the first to condemn the BJP promising free vaccine in Bihar. What changed now ahead of polls in West Bengal?
Because we had some very bitter experience. Because Narendra Modi is making a statement, and the statement being made by our honorable finance minister, there is a huge gap. The statement that is being made by our prime minister before Bihar election and the statement that is being made by Balaram Bhargav ji of Mr. ICMR, there is a huge gap. Before Bihar election, Modi ji is saying every person is going to be vaccinated on the very next day. Balaram Bhargav ji is saying no such statement has been made by any of our government officials.
So basically you're saying the BJP is going back on its word of a free vaccine.
Here in case of West Bengal, this is the horseless mouth's word.
Let Priyanka Tripuwal take that. Priyanka,
it will be carried away.
Priyanka, what's your grouse about West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee promising free vaccine for all in the state of West Bengal?
Good evening, Nabila. First of all, I rebuke the statements and the fake claims made by Mamata Banerjee regarding the vaccine, whatever she has said. I heard the questions which you just put up before Mr. Sen, and none of his answers are satisfactory. Now, apart from that, when I am speaking about the statements made by Mamata Banerjee, there are certain figures I would like to speak about, as Mr. Sen was discussing some figures. You see, it is Amit Mitra, the finance minister, who gave the budget of West Bengal, where in the health allocation, it was 5.4 of the entire expenditure. Now, the entire expenditure of the state is 2,55,677 crore. And the 5.4, which is allocated to the health sector, is 13,806 crore. Now, if we assume that the vaccine is 400 rupees, say if the cost of the vaccine is 400 into 10 crore people, which is more than 4,000 crore. Now, apart from that, just a few days back, Mamata Banerjee said that they are giving 5 lakhs insurance to each and everyone on the Swasthya Sathi card scheme, which they had introduced. Now, the budget of that, if you calculate, crosses 50,000 crores. Now, tell me, factually, is it possible for West Bengal to take care of the expenditure of the vaccine for all? So whatever they are talking is in air. Mamata Banerjee is simply juggling with the emotions of people of West Bengal.
Now you tell me, the BJP had promised free vaccines for all in Bihar. Will they meet that promise, and will free vaccines simultaneously be given to entire population in the country? There isn't much clarity on that as yet. On first account, the central leader said free vaccine for all. Well, Bihar was poll bound. And then there was one backtrack statement by Dr. Harshvardhan, who said frontline workers and healthcare workers will get it for free. So there isn't a real concrete statement on whether the vaccine is free or not free.
Vaccine is a complete central government prerogative, and central government will decide how and when and with whom the priorities will be given, how the scheme will be implemented. Since it is under the control of central government, they will decide it best. And the state government has no role to play in this. How can Mamata Banerjee
So the promise made by the BJP in Bihar will not be universally applicable to all states in India?
See, again, I am saying that it is the prerogative of the central government to decide whatever promises they have made on their
manifesto. That one promise made to one state which was poll bound is not the same that is going to be given the same leeway. In fact, 6 states in India are currently asking the centre. Even BJP ruled states are requesting the centre to make vaccination completely free.
The promises made by the leaders in Bihar, for Bihar, they are answerable. And if we speak about West Bengal, and here when Mamata Banerjee has opened her mouth, she should be answerable to the people. That how will she provide this vaccine?
In Bihar, Ms. Priyanka, Prime Minister Modi also addressed the vaccination drive and free vaccines. But let me cut across to Dr. Sen. You wanted to make a point there. Is even West Bengal able to